Good afternoon, LC people. Well, welcome back to my channel. Dilly Dave's been busy. The back tailpiece is now on, look. New grab rail, a pattern grab rail. Some people say they don't fit very well, but I think it looks very nice. Right, my progress for today, as I explained in my last video last week, I've now rebuilt the clocks with new faces. Very nice. New clock covers. The switch gear's been totally rebuilt. Powder coated switch gear, new decals on them. Both sides. They do look stunning. Very happy about that. Front mud guards on. Now I need to find bits for tomorrow. The clutch lever and bracket to go on there. Then I can put the grip on. What I need to do is find some brake calipers out to go on it. Before we get down to there, I'll need a splitter on behind there for the brake hoses to connect to. The twin-horn bracket and the cover, the headlight bucket. And basically, I'll put all the wiring and assemble all that tomorrow and get the headlight on it. Then I'll work my way back down the loom. There's a flasher cancelling or a distance sensor that goes in there. Obviously, the coil, the Muxnuts power dynamo coil to go on it. And I'll resolve all the rest of the wires and get them all connected. I've still got to install the power dynamo down there, the mag and everything. So there'll be my jobs for tomorrow. So keep watching. Do you subscribe, your likes, and all the other bits and pieces. But it's coming on quite nicely. I'm sure by the end of the week, it won't be too far off. The paintwork's obviously already done for this bike, so I haven't really got to worry about that. I've got to find some exhaust out for it. Fettle the footrest hangers. Assemble the water pump and the oil pump on the powder coated clutch case there. And sort out the one for the chain cover. The other side down here. It'll start to take shape in the next few days. But just finding what things I haven't had powder coated and fettling what's not been done already. They're the bits that take the time. But I hope you're enjoying the progress. It'll be a very, very nice, stunning Bounty LC bike when it's done. Like I said in my last videos, I'm always very happy to do these because everything you put on has already been fettled, powder coated, painted, rebuilt, ready for me to assemble. So a very enjoyable progress and process. Anyway folks, thanks for watching, and tune in tomorrow for another instalment. Happy days. Dilly.